Hey guys, welcome back to Our Garage Auto Detail. As a detailer, part-time, full-time, hobbyist, we need tools, right? We need tools that work effectively. So today, we're gonna do some tool repair. We're gonna have a little bit of tool time. So stick with us as we replace the hose on our carpet extractor. Alright guys, what you see right now is our portable spot cleaner. This comes in an actual shampooer, but it's an extractor I use for carpets in the car, truck, van, boat, whatever you got. But, okay. But as you can see, hose is pretty stiff, right? It's pretty thick. We've got problems. Yeah. That means no suction. So what we picked up was a replacement hose for 30-something bucks. Links in the description. Okay guys, here we are. As far as I know, I haven't done this before, but as far as I know, we just need some simple tools. The screws for this piece lie under the sticker here. Get yourself a little pick tool. Kind of gets under it. Save that for later. Okay, here we are. There might be more to come off. Let's see, I can see the inside. I don't know if you can see a little bit in there. Oh, still some water. Let's take this off. Pieces. All right. Tell you what, we'll make this easier. I do have an issue remembering to not use my fat head to cover up the camera so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Right now I'm just taking off the green covers. It should expose the connection a little bit better. More screws here. All right, let's move that just out of the way enough. Now, so this should just pop right out. O-ring. So what I'm trying to do now is take this, at least the front half of this cover off, so that I can get a straighter shot at the screw down there, because my shorty won't work. Shouty. The regular guy's not working. It's just too long. So, okay, there's our switch. There we go. I know this goes without saying, guys, but please do not work on this with it energized and plugged in. All right, so there's probably those two in the front. All right, so this thing basically has to go to almost parade rest here, but as you can see, here's the hose connected to these hoses here. So that T right there goes to those hoses there. I don't even know if you can see them. While I'm in here, I'm gonna spin these hose clamps around so they're easier to get to. In case we have to service it again. With the old. Let's get this guy. Okay. There's our hose clamp. Other hose clamp. Okay. That's how it sits in there. Put that back here. This guy here first. Like that. Then start your reassembly. There's a small gasket in the bottom half of the casing, so you want to be aware of that. Oh, a power button. Okay guys, I just had a mishap with my video. I think what happened was my watch accidentally zoomed in too far, so everything turned black. But I got it to as far as where the hose goes. So take the disassembly, install your hose, and then it's just a reverse of the disassembly for the reassembly. Be sure to put the top on the base before you assemble the handle back together. It's much easier that way. Now, cut to me using it. All right, so we have a sick kitty at home. He eats, throws up. So we actually have a stain we're gonna try this on. We're gonna make sure it's not leaking, all of that stuff. We're gonna see if this actually worked. If it did, it saved us about 120 something bucks because the hose is about 30 bucks. So, but you can see it right there. That's what it looks like. Now let's see how if we can get it any better. Now it's gonna get real loud up in here. Remember to use as hot a water as you can from the tap. Don't boil it. There's the new spot. Looks like it worked. Okay guys, that is how you replace the hose on your Bissell steamer, extractor, shampooer, whatever you want to call it. It works, saved us a ton of money. It's awesome. All right, if you like this video, you know what to do. If you want to see any other videos, hit me up in the comments. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.